and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to hide online status on Discord. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to hide your online status on Discord, then all you gotta do is simply tap open your Discord. Once you tap open your Discord, you need to go and tap open your profile. After you have opened your profile, you need to simply tap on the top left hand side of the corner, or in your phone you can find this option called a ring icon on your profile. Simply tap on it. So once you tap on this ring like icon, you can simply tap on the invisible section. You can even choose online, idle, or do not disturb, but as you choose to hide your online status, you can choose invisible. So this is how you can hide online status on your Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.